What makes AE Aerospace great is the fact that from a customer's point of view, we'll look at products that other people won't. Things that haven't been made for 30 or 40 years that were made on older machines, and we'll bring up to date. And we'll do that in a very fast turnaround for them. So they don't have to have years and years and years of waiting to find out if somebody can make something again. To do that, we need that stability. And that stability comes from good planning, but it also comes from working with people like MSC who work with us to focus ourselves down onto having less problems around tooling and knowing what tooling we get on a day-to-day basis.
AE were struggling with having stock on site continually because of their ever-changing order book. It's hard for them to plan ahead as to what tooling they're going to need. So our vending machine has a whole range of tooling in there, which enables AE to always have tooling on hand for those emergency jobs that come up. And secondly, a solution would be our engineering support. So our engineering team are constantly plugged in with the team here at AE working on MPI and CI projects. And the two of these solutions together really help drive efficiency improvements in both production here and in the purchasing department as well. One of the reasons AE Aerospace wanted to work with MSC was because we could help them consolidate. Previously, AE were working with dozens of suppliers. This caused a number of challenges, a few of those being inconsistency of service, of products, of pricing, multiple POs for the purchasing department to deal with. Whereas working with MSC, we've been able to bring that all under one roof, and that enables us to offer just a single PO at the end of the month, consistency of service, consistency of pricing, all of which aids into a smoother operation here at AE.
MSC are able to produce a wide range of tools from multiple different suppliers. So they're able to get a quick turnaround on the tools that we require. They're able to help us source different tools from different suppliers to achieve the overall goal of producing parts right first time.
In the next 5 years, they're planning on moving significantly. So what we want to do is start by looking at machining processes, operational efficiencies within the business itself, and smooth out all the creases to get to the point where they're efficient and they can run unmanned, things like that. Having a look at the machining processes, reducing cycle time, reducing cost for tooling, as well as having a really stable process with the fixtures. What we do is we can move some of that money that was being spent where there were issues, use it to create profit and to drive even more revenue.
It's about focus for us from MSC. It's about taking away that guesswork by using their tool guys to come in to sort of go, we understand that if you're going to try and cut that type of material with that process, then you can do that tool or that tool, and if you want to hit that speed, you use that tool. So it focuses our mind down onto the broad range of opportunities there is out there in the tooling they sell. So they go to everybody, we didn't. But equally, it means that we can work with them to think what is the best solution for our problem. And the solutions engineering side is actually quite important to us. I think from a business perspective, we're looking that really they're going to be helping us save tens of thousands a year from our current costs. One of the constraints we probably had was we only knew what we knew, and we had a range of tooling suppliers we could go to within that range. But what we get with MSC is let's find the right solution. It doesn't matter what's the most profitable, it doesn't matter what's the most high commissioned, whatever it happens to be in terms of the way they sell. So there's a level of accountability and responsibility there from MSC, which I think is given me the confidence that when we work with them, I don't think it's going to be an issue with saying, let's do this again, let's go and extend the contract, because we're going to get the benefit up front that really makes us feel they're a partner within the business, but they're a partner with a much broader experience set than we possibly have because they see the whole market.